Hey, to change keyboard language on the Realme Note 50, first you have to open the settings, then you will have to scroll down. You have to move into the system. From this, go into the languages and input. Now you have to go into the on-screen keyboard, and from this select Gboard. Now select languages, and now click to add keyboard language. For example, I'm going to add the Albanian language. And now I can also find some other input methods like hand rating or other keyboard styles. But let's stay with the first one. Also, we can turn on and off the multilingual typing if you want, but I'm gonna actually turn it off. Okay, we have to just go back for it. Something goes wrong. So let's go back. And as you can see from this, you can find all of the languages. And now when I'm gonna input, for example, settings page and click here, now I can change language of the keyboard by clicking here. So as you can see, the language is going to change. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.